Hi Venus, I'm back here with a few more important content. Now, in this session, I'll be talking more about the dates and the years that you have to make a note. Okay, this is a collection of information which is more of memory based. Okay, so as already discussed, if you see the drift from the past 5 years to the present NEET 2020, as the years progress, the questions on this particular stuff, which is more of a memory based, was dropped down. But for the sake to be in the top list, it is mandatory that you have to learn everything. So I tried my best to cover few contents which moves around the years and the days, which are important in examination point of view, and few more such videos will be uploaded which will be useful for you in revision. So in this content, first I'll be talking more about years. Okay, number one, Transplant Act year. Okay, Transplant Act was given in the year 1994. Okay, and the second one is, I hope you remember anti-SLA. Anti-SLA was a question. The year of anti-SLA was asked in Prosto, that is 1926. The next goes is HIV was identified first in the year in the world. If it is in the world, it is 1983. If they ask specific to India, it is 1986 in India. They can ask you the place also. The place is Chennai. The next comes, they may ask you question related to X-rays were invented in the year. X-rays were invented in the year 1895. That to November 8th. The November 8th is called as Radiologist Day. Okay, you can make a note. That is an important thing. The next one is a perio-related number, that is powered toothbrush. Powered toothbrush in the year 1939. I hope you are very clear until now. They can ask you first dental school in India. Year of first dental school. First dental school in India. In India, it is 1920. If you don't have 1920 option, then you can think of 1926. There's a slight controversy regarding this question. 1920 is the best option, followed by 1926. The same answer, Red Cross in India. They can ask you Red Cross in India. The answer is 1920. Okay, the next one is first census, population calculation. First census, 1881. They can ask you, okay, they can ask you primary health center. Okay, primary health center year is 1946. They can ask you primary health care. Primary health care in the year is 1983. They can ask you Dentist Act. The Dentist Act was given in the year 1948. Okay, that is 1948, 29th March. The next one is, there is something called as Dentist Abandonment Act, is given in the year 1993. They can ask you, when is DCI formed? DCI is formed in 1949, and the date is also important, that is 12th April. They can ask you COPRA. When is COPRA came into existence? Consumer Protection. That is 15th April 1987. So these are the things that you have to make a note about years in specific. Apart from this, there are many other things that I will slowly inject. Okay. For now, please do make a note of these things. Okay. The next comes, as already discussed, we need to learn about. So now I'll be talking about few dates. Okay. The one is The Doctor's Day. The Doctor's Day is July 1st. The next is Dentist Day. Dentist Day is March 6th. They can ask you International Dentist Day also. International Dentist Day is Feb 9th. So apart from this, they can ask you when is WHO Day. Okay, WHO Day is 7th April, or World Health Day. World Health Day or WHO Day is 7th April. They can ask you Anti-Leprosy Day. Anti-Leprosy Day is 30th Jan. Anti-AIDS Day. Anti-AIDS Day is 1st December. They can ask you Anti-Tobacco Day. Anti-Tobacco Day was previously asked. Anti-Tobacco or No Tobacco Day is 31st May. They can ask you UNICEF Day. UNICEF Day is 11th December. Okay, so there are many such days they regularly ask. Okay, as of now, please try to remember these things, which were very, very important. You can add a note about International Girl Child Day, that is 24th September. Okay, 24th September is International Girl Child. So as of now, this is more than sufficient. We'll try to add few more things as we proceed further. So apart from this, it is must that you have to make a note about the themes of WHO. The few years you have to make a note about themes of WHO, in which the utmost important is 1994 theme, because it is related to the oral. The theme is called as oral health for a healthy life. Okay, so make a note about the theme of WHO 1994. So apart from this, the other important things that you have to make a note is about 2012 theme, that is aging and health, and 2014 the theme is small bite and a big threat, that is related to the vector agents. Similarly, I want you guys to make a note about 2018, 2019 and 2020. Okay, so as the recent one, they can ask you 2020. The 2020 theme of WHO is support nurses and midwives. Okay, support nurses and midwives is a 2020 theme. Okay, in 2019 NEET exam they have asked 2018 theme. Okay, so questions can be asked mostly on the recent one. So 2020 theme is very, very important. Support nurses and midwives. Thank you all. Signing off for now. Dr. Srikanth from Team MDS Conquer.